Unsure about your current YouTube channel? Feel like starting a new? Or just figuring out how to delete your YouTube channel? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's go ahead and check it out. First, head on over to youtube.com and go to your YouTube studio. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon on the top right and clicking on YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, click on Settings on the bottom left, and then going into Channel, and then going into Advanced Settings. Scroll all the way down until you find Remove YouTube Content. This will open a new tab, and you may need to verify yourself by re-entering your password. In this page, you have a choice of either hiding your channel or permanently deleting your YouTube channel. Open up I want to permanently delete my content and have a read on what is stated. Once you are happy to delete your channel, go ahead and check the tick boxes and then click Delete My Content. I hope you have found this video helpful. Do subscribe and hit the thumbs up to like and support our channel.